crossover SUV, thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.